In this week's garden diaries, I'd love to take you with me when I go shopping for plants with my sister, and after I'll give you a tour of her garden and some of her indoor plants. But I did want to share the small little haul of vegetables I got this week. But for now, let's head over to Green Acres.
They're so cute. This one is definitely really interesting. I like the peach. Yes. So pretty. Dark center. And then these, look at that peach. I think that one's my favorite. I don't know. It's hard to pick a favorite. They're all so beautiful. I do love these. I don't like that I want one. I already have one. I don't need more. Or do I? Maybe. Possible.
Oh, I know.
You could put it in a pot as a trailing plant.
Nowhere. In my pot next to, because I have like a semi-trailing thyme, I can put it next to my lemon verbena.
Yeah.
There, in that pot.
Let's go look for the fern now that we got what we need.
Slug that's crawling on the ground and out of it. Push out.
I think I know what you're talking about. It like curls in a way, right? When you touch them,
Oh my
they close
gosh.
up.
I've been looking for these forever. It responded.
It's so wonderful.
Oh my goodness. They are
that
a little
cheese
finicky,
plant.
but once you get it right, oh my god, they're so happy. It's better.
Ooh.
This one seems to have more new growth. This one has 1, 2 fresh points. This one has 1,
I feel like
2,
this one
3,
is a little
4,
more
5.
happy.
Yeah, she's
This one's already
happier.
growing well.
She's
I think we did a lot of damage here so far, right? We're doing some serious damage. No!
What else do I need to put
You
back?
can't.
I really need this rosemary, but I might need clarinervia.
Yeah. I'd say if you were
okay.
gonna
I'll
pick
find
between
you
the
later.
two,
I'll find you later.
yeah.
On our way out, I did notice this African blue basil, and I did end up grabbing one. My sister grows succulents, subtropical plants, tomatoes, herbs in her garden, but she also has a beautiful collection of indoor plants as well, and I love how she displays them.
Hello, I have a
No! My sister and her glasses.
All I had was this little tiny cutting, like this little, that I stuck in here. And then now it's like a big little cute little bush. Isn't it adorable?
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yes, we should take some. See how it starts growing little aerial roots right there
Is that a sedum?
underneath?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, wait, no, that's it.
Is that a sedum? No, that's an aerial roots in there.
Oh yeah, that is an aerial.
Is that a sedum?
I'm not sure what the
It
name
looks like a
of it is.
sedum, like a micro.
Yeah, it's like a
Because I have one that looks similar, but it's like a micro version of it.
yeah,
So cute.
totally takes.
Did you buy that recently, or what was that?
It was literally on the ground, like this little,
No way.
like this tiny,
A little nubbin.
a little tiny little nubbin, and then so I was like, let me stick it into the ground and see if it works, and it
Or
did.
that.
Yeah. And this one I really like too,
Oh yeah, the
but
variegated
it's sensitive to
string
the
of
sun.
pearls.
Not too much sun, so I stuck it under here. That way it gets like sprinkles of sun underneath, but
A
not
little more sensitive.
full sun. How big is it?
It's pretty big.
Isn't it huge? Look, it covers my entire body. Amazing. This is all.
Haven't
elephant-
really-
This is elephant ear. Let me show you. I have.
Beautiful.
If you want. And another one that came from a cutting.
Those are so
also.
good.
This is from Mom. This one was just a
The
little,
little
cutting,
micro
remember?
sedums, they're so cute.
This, remember these are the little dolphins? They were just
Little dolphin
a little
plant.
tiny cutting, and now it's happy. It's growing. It's growing.
They're so cute. I love the little pots. I love that we both have some. They're so cute.
And then same with these baby fingers.
Oh my
little
gosh,
baby
little
toes.
baby toes. Oh,
Yeah.
I tried growing them once. Didn't
It
go
did
so
not
well.
like growing in the sun. Too much direct
No.
sun. It was dying.
Definitely likes a little bit of
yeah, it
shade.
preferred the shade, and I was like, oh wow, it came right back in the shade.
A little shade
She's a
of the
cute little
sun.
baby, and I
Super
really,
cute.
I really like these little spider webby ones. They're cute.
Oh my god, yeah. The aeoniums, they're so cute.
And then,
Oh my god, Groot is so cute. Little Groot.
hi Groot.
It's so cute.
This also fell off Rosie's neighbors
Beautiful.
on the ground. It was just on the ground, a little cutting that fell off, and I
It's beautiful.
picked it up, and she's happy.
These are really cute too.
Yes,
like that.
the watermelon.
They're really cute.
And I really like these too with the little pink
Little
tips.
sedums.
Yeah.
They're bigger sedums.
Yeah.
Little jelly beans.
Back in my garden, a fritillary finally arrived. They are great lovers of passion fruit. That is where they breed, what they eat, and my kids do have a couple of the larvae in a bug tent. That way they can grow their own. So we feed them some of the leaves.
Play my garden, you guys. It's so wonderful.
Now that I have bought some plants, I do need to get to planting them before it gets too hot. I'm most excited about my zinnia and my pincushion flowers. The pink on these are just absolutely beautiful. If you enjoyed the video and you made it this far, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.